Hey guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to add things to an image in Photoshop. So if you're trying to make a composite of different things or add multiple different images to one file, this is how you would do it. So for example, maybe I'm trying to add the Webster logo to this photo. And there's a couple of different ways you can do it. The first way is to have the photo that you want to add something to open in Photoshop, and then you open on a Mac, you open your Finder, or on a PC, you open your Documents folder. And I'm over here in my Logos and Branding folder for my WebFeet stuff. And I'm going to click on Webster over here, and I'm just going to drag and drop it onto the picture. It'll take a second to load, and ultimately it'll add the Webster logo, and I can click on it and drag it wherever I want. And as you can see, it adds it as a second layer in the image. So once I get it placed where I want, you have to hit enter. Otherwise, it's stuck in the free transform, and I'll go over free transform in another video. But that box around it, I'll do it one more time. This box around Webster means that you can change the size and everything. So you hit enter to get it placed where you want, and you can see that it's another layer in the photo. So if you don't want it there anymore, you can either delete the layer or you can turn it off and on like that. The second way, so I'm going to turn it off for now. The second way that you add something to an image in Photoshop is by going File, and I think it's Place Embedded. We'll try that, see how that works for us. It'll take a second. I'll go over to my WebFeet folder, go to Logos and Branding, scroll down to Webster, and hit Place. And that will add whatever element you want into the photo. Hit enter, and there it is. It's placed where I want it to be. I'm pretty sure that the place linked means that it doesn't actually put it into the document. So if you move any of the files around on your computer, it'll break the image and it won't work properly. So I would go with Place Embedded because that actually embeds it into the image. And if you have any other questions about adding things, you can add as many layers as you want. So I can add everything under the sun into this image if I wanted to. You move them around, things like that. You turn off whatever ones you want to. But those are the two different ways that you can add something to an image in Photoshop. And if you have any questions on that, just let me know. Thanks, guys.